Hello and welcome to the Scraproom. I'm Tina Gell and this is your 3 add-on kits for your flavors of the month. So there are 3 different add-ons. There's cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. All of these are picked and coordinated to go with your flavors of the month collections to make them go even further. You definitely want to check them out and add them onto your flavors of the month so that you can create even more with your kits. First up, we have the cardstock add-on. So the cardstock includes 3 cardstock sheets that are coordinated to go with each one of the 4 collections. So these are great if you like to create with cardstock as your backgrounds or mat your photos or do digital die cuts and embellishments with those. Let's take a look at each one of these. For American Crafts, you're going to get 2 sheets of wild pansy and 1 sheet of rosebud. For the Bella Boulevard collection, you're going to get a sheet of whirlpool and 2 sheets raspberry. For the Echo Park collection, there's 2 sheets of lava and 1 sheet of African daisy. And then for photoplay paper, you have 2 sheets of parakeet and 1 pumpkin patch. So you can see they match perfectly with the pattern papers and the collections in your flavors of the month. The next add-on is your pattern paper. There are 2 additional pattern papers chosen for each one of the 4 collections that are not in your flavors of the month kit. So you'll get even more pattern papers to play with. So first up from American Crafts, Dear Lizzie Stay Colorful, is this one called Forever. And it's these fun butterflies. Again, this is a perfect pattern to fussy cut for embellishments. The back side is this pink with a white, almost looks like a snow print. This one called Happy Days, which has those fun little houses and also those rain clouds with the rainbow raindrops and some banners and the sun. So really cute paper. The back side is this funfetti on this purpley blue background, and these have 2 full branding strips for you. From Bella Boulevard, Island Escape is this fun paper called Good Vibes. So it has the different greenery that you might think of tropics, and the back side is a blue-green. Then we have this one here, that's the fun little kind of water print design. And the back side are these little mountains or gumdrop design on a gray. This one's called Tropical Bliss. For Echo Park, the Happy Birthday collection is this one that's got the fun confetti look on a off-white. The back side is this green plaid, kind of a gingham plaid. The second sheet is this fun cut apart sheet, so it's 3 by 4. I like to look at these and see if there's anything that I could fussy cut for embellishment. And the back side is this fun red print with this kind of banner border. For photoplay paper, Spring in My Garden is this one called Puddles, which is the fun umbrellas on the blue rain paper. And the back side is this fun watercolor painted circles in all of the different colors. This one called Garden, which has the little fern leaf kind of in a oval on the red. And the back side is this fun whimsical print with the little frogs and the birds, the snail, the mushroom. Love how they incorporated all the little flowers to make the designs in this collection. So that's a look at the patterned paper add-on. So definitely a must in my book to add this to your flavors of the month. So be sure to check it out. The final add-on is my favorite, the embellishment add-on. If you love to cluster, add lots of embellishments to your pages, you're going to definitely want to add this to your collection. From American Crafts and the Dear Lizzie collection, you get the full package of layered stickers. So you can tell there's multiple layers and they're all pop dotted already on the foam. From the Bella Boulevard collection, you're going to get the banner here. So these will vary among the kits. This one, it's a felt banner and it comes with the little stick. So I went ahead and just stuck that on there so you could see how it would look on your page. And from Echo Park for the birthday collection, you're going to get more of the ephemera pieces. So this is half a pack of the ephemera. So lots of little pieces you could tuck in and add. Some of these would be really fun and cute to decorate your packages. And then the final collection, Photo Play, Spring in My Garden, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So a fun flower border. There's more flower circles. Oops, and these are more of the birthday collections that got stuck on here, little circles. Big banner that you could use for your title, as well as the small ones, and love the little jar and the bunny. So you could really pop dot those up and make cute little clusters with all of these stickers here. So that's a look at the embellishment add-on. Be sure to check all of these out and get them added to your flavors of the month. If you're not already a subscriber to the YouTube channel, click on that coffee cup so that you can be notified when the new videos are released. And come on over to the Scrap Room, the blog, and the Facebook page, as well as the store. Check out all the other products that are available in the store for you to add on or add into your order. And check out the challenges that you can join in on. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.